There are many sewing machine products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best sewing machines from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Singer Sewing Machine. Rating 4.4. This lightweight sewing machine features a clean white color, offering a timeless blend of classic appeal and modern functionality. Designed for portability, it's perfect for on-the-go sewing or moving between rooms, making it ideal for sewing classes, workshops, or smaller spaces like apartments. With its space-saving design and reliable performance, this machine combines style and efficiency. Easily tuck it away when not in use, making it the perfect travel-friendly option for any sewing enthusiast. Unlock creativity with 16 built-in stitches and 45 stitch applications, covering essential techniques for all your sewing needs. The user-friendly stitch selector dial makes it effortless to choose your desired stitch. Simply turn the dial, and you're ready to sew. With preset stitch length and width, you eliminate the guesswork, achieving consistent, professional results every time, making this machine perfect for both simple repairs and complex projects. Number 4. Janome Sewing Machine. Rating 4.6. Overview features: 15 built-in stitches, 4-step buttonhole, front-loading bobbin system, heavy-duty interior metal frame. Customizable features: adjustable stitch length and zigzag width, reverse lever, darning plate. Convenience features: 3-piece feed dog system, removable free arm, dual retractable spool pins. Easy to use. Tutorial videos, built-in bobbin diagram, quick start guide included. 4 presser feet, beginner accessories, easy to follow instructional manual, 25-year limited warranty. Extra high presser foot lift. Number 3. Brother Sewing Machine. Rating 4.7. The XM2701 includes 27 built-in stitches, including decorative, blind hem, zigzag, and stretch stitches, and an auto-size buttonhole. This sewing machine includes an automatic needle threader that perfectly pushes the thread through the needle and a convenient, jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. The XM2701 comes with 6 sewing feet, a 3-piece needle set, a twin needle for bobbins, an instructional DVD, a manual, and more. This free arm sewing machine is perfect for a wide range of everyday sewing projects and is suitable for users from beginners to advanced. The XM2701 sewing machine comes with Brother at Your Side support, offering free technical support via online, live chat, or phone for the life of your machine. This product is intended for sale only in the US at 120 volts. Any other use or sale voids the warranty. Number 2. Needle Sewing Machine. Rating 4.9. The beginner sewing machine mode features a single needle for precise control, while the double needle sewing machine function doubles your speed. This portable sewing machine makes switching effortless with its one-touch design, perfect for both learning and advanced projects. This sewing machine punches through 6 layers of denim with ease. The small sewing machine features innovative noise reduction technology, making it ideal for apartments or late-night projects. It's powerful enough for sewing machine enthusiasts, yet quiet enough for beginners. The precision steel needle ensures every stitch is perfect, whether you're mending or creating. This sewing machine for beginners features an intuitive foot pedal with 2 speed modes. Light pressure gives you slow, controlled stitches, perfect when learning. Firm pressure accelerates for faster sewing. It's why this beginner sewing machine helps novices sew like pros immediately. The sewing machine for adults maintains a perfect rhythm. Number 1. Portable Sewing Machine. Rating 5.0. Provides stable power, suitable for long sewing sessions without the hassle of changing or recharging batteries. With 12 stitching modes, including straight stitches, zigzag stitches, and decorative patterns, this sewing machine caters to all your sewing needs. Plus, the reverse sewing function ensures neat and sturdy stitches every time. Our sewing machine features threading indication marks for easy threading. Whether you're a beginner or an enthusiast, watching the product manual before use ensures effortless operation and helps you create stunning works with ease. Our mini sewing machine set includes everything you need to get started: bobbins, spools, spare needles, and a needle threader. Perfect for beginners, children, and sewing enthusiasts, it's an ideal gift for various occasions like Christmas, birthdays, and Mother's Day. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.